The Midnight Jewel, the ultimate Ekta Cruise Dinner. As the sun sets over Ekta Nagar, the atmosphere gently changes. Daytime energy gives way to calm evenings, soft lights, and the quiet rhythm of the Narmada. For those who choose to stay back, the experience continues in a different way. Under a starlit sky, golden reflections shimmer on the river. A cool breeze flows across the water, and the surroundings feel peaceful and refined. This is when Ekta Nagar reveals one of its most special nighttime experiences. The journey begins at Shrestha Bharat Bhavan. On regular days, boarding starts at 6 p.m. and shortly after, the cruise gently sails into the evening. During the festival season, a second dinner cruise at 8:45 p.m. adds a celebratory touch to the night. Designed for an exclusive capacity of just 100 guests, the Ekta Cruise offers a comfortable and refined setting. Warm lighting, open decks, and thoughtfully designed spaces create an atmosphere of ease and elegance. As the cruise moves along its 12-kilometer route, the surroundings slowly transform. City sounds fade, and the river becomes the center of attention. From the deck, the Statue of Unity comes into view, calm, illuminated, and striking against the night sky. Its reflection glides across the waters of the Narmada, offering a serene and memorable perspective. It's a view that feels personal and rare, an experience that can only be enjoyed from the river. The evening also celebrates India's living culture. Folk performances bring traditional rhythms to the deck, adding warmth and vibrancy to the journey. As the night progresses, curated music creates a relaxed yet festive mood, blending tradition with contemporary enjoyment. The cruise becomes a space where culture, leisure, and celebration come together naturally. A thoughtfully curated, unlimited pure vegetarian buffet awaits guests on board. Each dish is prepared with care, reflecting the essence of Indian hospitality. This isn't just dinner, it's fine dining, enjoyed alongside one of India's most iconic landmarks. The Ekta Cruise Dinner is more than an evening on the river. It's a refined way to experience Ekta Nagar after dark. Plan your journey through the official Statue of Unity portal and make your visit truly memorable. The river flows gently, the lights glow softly, and the night invites you to experience our Ekta Nagar from a new perspective.